Hello friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. Assalamu alaikum to all of you and namaste. I hope you all are doing super or aapki dua se I am doing super fantastic and welcome to my channel of Christmas special. Friends, Christmas is around the corner and if you're still wondering how to make a Christmas cake and how to decorate a Christmas cake, then you are watching the right channel. Today on my channel, I'm going to teach you or show you how to make gum paste, of which you can make sugar flowers, sugar daisies, sugar snowflakes. So let's get started with the recipe. Now to make the gum paste, the measurements have to be perfect. I've taken here 187.5 grams powdered sugar, and to this I'm going to add egg white, which is 31.2 grams or 32 grams. Pinch of salt. Now you need to give this a very good mix. You have to mix it very well. This will turn into a sticky mixture, but that's fine. And you have to mix it at least for 5 minutes. After mixing it vigorously, this is how it becomes a bit white. We shall add now half teaspoon vanilla extract to this and then again give a vigorous mix. Now I'm just sharing a small information with you. So sugar flowers are made with special sugar dough called gum paste. Okay, and this is made with edible gums such as Tylos or CMC powder. As you can see, I've taken 7.5 grams CMC powder. And now again we have to give a very good mix. What this will do is, this will make the petals of whatever you're making, whether snowflakes or not, it will make it hard. It will be easy to roll the paste so that we can create sugar flowers and snowflakes. As you can see, making the gum paste is absolutely easy and effortless process. Some call it as gum paste, some call it as flour paste, some call it as modeling paste. I've introduced to you a very simple way of making sugar goodies to decorate the cake, pastries, whatever you want to decorate. Now this gum paste can get very sticky, so we need to add some vegetable shortening or butter. I just added 1 teaspoon right now, and again you need to give it a very good mix. This is going to become little stiff and hard, okay, and if it is a little more sticky, then we can add some more sugar powder to it. So I've added around 1 tablespoon powder sugar. I've sprinkled all over it, and again we need to give this a very good mix. It has become little stiff, but that's how it is. So another 2 teaspoon sugar I'll sprinkle, not 1 tablespoon, only 2 teaspoon I'll sprinkle, and then I'm going to knead it with my hand. It is very sticky. It's going to be like this. That's when we need little vegetable shortening or we need butter. You feel it is a little sticky, just little So that was complete 1 tablespoon sugar that I added. You can take a surface, and on that also you can need a little more. The moment you apply butter or some vegetable shortening, it becomes very easy to knead it. The gum paste is not completely ready. Now I'm going to divide the gum paste into I need to use this gum paste to make snowflakes, sugar snowflakes. That time I don't know why I was getting stuck, but okay, snowflakes I wish to make. So I'm going to divide this into 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to store them for 24 hours overnight, and then tomorrow I will remove in the morning and I'll keep it in the I will allow it to come to room temperature. When it comes to room temperature, okay, I'm going to knead this very well, and after that it is ready. You can make the snowflakes, allow them to dry, and then use it wherever you want. So friends, as I was explaining about gum paste, there's a difference between gum paste and fondant. Fondant is used to cover the cake and is nice and soft, and we can easily mold it around the cake with ease. But the gum paste has got edible gums in it. This makes the paste tough and dries rock hard. That's why we are able to make sugar daisies and sugar leaves and sugar snowflakes out of it. Now the purpose of the gum paste is to use as decoration that can hold its shape. That's why we use this more often on our cakes. Okay. Time has come now to place those gum paste into separate plastic bags. I have divided them into 3 parts. You can divide them into how much ever part you want as per your need. And I'm placing it in a bigger bag now, bigger plastic bag. Take a bigger plastic Ziploc bag. Okay, and this I am going to place in a airtight container. Now this video will continue tomorrow, where I will show you how to make the sugar snowflakes. Hello friends, it's next day morning. Okay, and I have made some of the sugar snowflakes. You can see here, all this I'll have to keep for drying. So I got the dough out. Okay, and after getting the dough out, okay, from the bags that we had stored in, okay, I kneaded this very well. So this is how it is after sitting 24 hours in the fridge. Okay, this is going to be a little sticky, nothing to worry about. Okay, all you need to do is knead it very well on the surface. Okay, dust your surface with little corn flour. Little corn flour you dust it with and knead the dough. Knead the dough very well. If you find it little sticky, sprinkle some sugar powder. You can sprinkle some sugar powder if you like. Okay, but I have not dusted with sugar powder. I dusted with little corn flour. बस इसे अच्छे से knead करना है. Okay, once you have kneaded it very well, okay, you need to divide this. And roll like I have already done it over here. And then you need these kind of plunger cutter. Why they are called plunger? Because you press this into the gum paste chapati you have made. You get that shape and then from behind you push it out to plunge the snowflake out. That's why they are called plunger cutters and they come in various sizes. Okay, so let's get started. Hope I've been able to explain it. So I'm using two sizes over here. So once you start working on this gum paste, it starts becoming hard. I think this will take around 4 to 5 hours for this to become hard. So it is going to be sticky, so nothing to worry. Give it a nice round. Dust it a bit in the corn flour. Press it and roll it. Yeah, thoda mess hota hai. There is a little mess, but that's okay. You can't help it. And how successful this is, we'll come to know only once this dries out very well. So the cake which I'm making, okay, you'll come to know soon. Do make that Christmas cake at home. And if you do not have time to make these sugar snowflakes, then sugar daisies and sugar flowers you get online on Amazon. If you want, I will leave the link. Check it out and make your life easy. So just make the cake and decorate it. And not necessary that you have to put sugar daisies or flowers on it. Put any decoration that you like. Now I have rolled this. This thin I have kept. Take this plunger, put it, and then you need to press this. You don't press this. You have to press down. Okay, after pressing, do it like this. See, it comes out. Okay, उसके बाद hold it and ta-da! It has fallen. So like this we will do all of them. And ta-da! And again, ta-da! I'm really enjoying this. The edible gum that I used to make this gum paste is sodium carboxymethyl cellulose. This is what I used. I will leave the link for this as well. I got this from Amazon. Check it out. Or if you get Tylose powder, you can use that also. But I think this has worked really very good. And this is vegetarian. So 2 of my Christmas videos have been uploaded on the channel. I hope friends you have really liked it. Please give your lot of love to my videos. Lot of effort has gone in making it. Lot of planning. Do go and watch both the videos. Amazing homemade goodies which you can make it in minutes. Doesn't even take much time. Okay. Everything is golden in that video. There is golden jam, golden makhana and golden sesame honeycomb cookies. Sone pe suhaga. So do make them. I understand if you're a working person, it is very difficult. So I have made your life easy. I have put those recipes for you all. And my Christmas gift basket, absolutely easy. I will leave the link in the description box for both the videos. Do check it out. Let me know your comments if you have liked it and how many of you are going to make use of that idea. ऐसा होता है if you don't press it very well. So you have to press it well. If you feel the gum paste is going dry, then give it a very, very good knead. This is a no complicated gum paste recipe. Do try. And there's a way to dry the gum paste sugar snowflakes. Just place it in the oven on the oven light. You don't have to on the oven. Just the oven light, and in that heat it will dry out. And this will dry out in 3 to 4 hours. That's it. So friends, if you have liked my today's effort, you have liked the sugar snowflakes, then don't forget to give your like, share and subscribe. Take very good care of yourself. Be safe, be happy, keep smiling. Good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye. Stay tuned for the second part where I'm making the cake and I'll be using this snowflakes.